Plug in the power cord. Turn on the machine switch. The 4 buttons of the operation panel, from left to right are temperature加 temperature, time加 and time. After setting the sterilization value, restart the machine to save the value. The sterilization parameter is the previously saved parameter. Add water to overflow the water level float bowl, and do not exceed the lower edge of the 3 tripods. Put in the bucket and sterilized items. Cover the upper cover. All the bolts, tighten diagonally, can be screwed by hand, and then tighten with tools. Open the vent valve. Wait for the temperature to 102 degrees Celsius. The vent valve in large quantities of exhaust, and then close the vent valve. Wait for the end of sterilization.